Are you trying to create a second Cash App account, but not sure how to do it the right way? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to set up a brand new Cash App account safely and without messing up your existing one. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a key tip that will save you from accidentally sending money from the wrong account. Step 1. Log out of your current account first. Open the Cash App on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll all the way down, and hit Sign Out. This logs you out of your existing account so you can start fresh. Step 2. Prepare a new email or phone number. Cash App doesn't allow two accounts with the same login. You'll need a different email address or phone number than the one linked to your first account. Pro tip: if you want to keep both accounts completely separate, use a new email and a different bank account or debit card. Step 3. Sign up for a new account. Open Cash App again and tap Sign Up. Enter the new email or phone number, verify it, and follow the on-screen instructions. When asked to link a bank account, make sure you use a different one if you want both accounts independent from each other. Step 4. Customize your second account. Once you're in, choose a new dollar cash tag. It has to be unique. Add your name and profile picture, and adjust your notification settings if you don't want alerts from both accounts mixed together. Important reminder: you can have multiple Cash App accounts, but you'll need to sign out and switch between them manually on the same device. Always double-check which account you're logged into before sending or receiving money, and it can save you from costly mistakes. And that's it. You now have a fully set up second Cash App account. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick, actionable money app tips. I've also left some helpful links in the description. Check them out before you set up your account.